Hi, it's me, Ankita. Happy Diwali to all who celebrated. I want to share with you this look that I wore on Diwali this weekend. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button if you'd like to stay up to date with my uploads, and let's begin. I prepped my face with 100% argan oil from Trader Joe's and applied that all over my face. This is going to make our face glow underneath our makeup. For primer today, I'm using the Neutrogena Shine Control Primer, and this is going to be a great base for all the face makeup and my foundation to stay onto. And now I'm using my go-to tinted moisturizer by Glossier. It's their Perfecting Skin Tint, and I'm applying this with a beauty sponge. I'm the shade G6. So I'm just blending in with my makeup sponge. I'm going to jump right into my eye look today, so I'm starting out with the SMASHBOX 24-Hour Photo Finish Primer. This is going to help our eyeshadows last all day, which we love. For my eyebrows, I'm using this SMASHBOX Brow Tech To Go, and it's really cool because it's a duo stick, so one side has this eyebrow pen and the other side has an eyebrow gel. All I'm doing is using thin strokes to fill in my eyebrows. So now using the other side of the Brow Tech To Go stick, I'm using the brow gel. This is a clear gel and it's going to help all my brows stay in place. So I'm just gently running it through my eyebrows. I have to say it, my eyebrows are on fleek. So now for the star of the show, I'm using the SMASHBOX Full Exposure Eyeshadow Palette, and look how pretty these colors are. And it also comes with this brush. Starting with this light tan color, I'm using a Farrah blending brush to dust it off in my crease. Then using this matte taupey gray shade, I am using the brush that came with the palette and just putting that in my crease as well and building up this color. Okay, so now using this light taupey shade, I am just placing it all over my lid. Next, I'm taking this really pretty shimmery silver shade and putting that on my lid as well, and this is just going to make our look super sparkly and really pretty. The color was showing up way better with the brush as opposed to my finger, but still it took a lot of tries to get that color really packed on. So here I'm just taking the fluffy blending brush and just kind of cleaning up the look, blending everything together so everything just looks beautiful and blended. Now for a little smoke, I'm taking this black color. I'm just going to place my blending brush into the shadow one time and then dot it at the outer crease and just placing the color there before I start blending it out. I want this to be really subtle and very, gradient, and it's going to add dimension. We're going for a subtle smoke here. So now using this white color, I'm just putting it to my brow bone so I can get some highlight and some brightness up in here. Okay, so our eyes are almost done, but first we gotta go back and do our concealer, and we're gonna finish our face makeup and then get back to the eyes. So now I'm using this MAC concealer in the shade NC35. I'm applying this under my eyes. I'm also gonna clean up my eyeshadow with it by applying it right underneath my crease to make that sharp look, and then just applying it to all my problem areas like around my mouth, a little bit on my nose, and we're gonna blend that all together with our beauty sponge. Now we are setting this baby up with some Kat Von D translucent setting powder. This powder is amazing, and that's on your free birthday samples from Sephora. Okay, now for the step that's going to blow you away, you're taking the MAC and Patrick Star palette, and you're taking this cobalt blue shade, and we're going to apply that on our lower lash line. So first I'm just setting it there, and then I'm gently going to blend that into my lower lash line. I'm just tightlining my lower lash line with this Maybelline eye pencil. Using the Maybelline Master Precise Liquid Eyeliner, I am going to create a small little wing. Onto my favorite step, mascara. I'm using the MAC Pro Beyond Twisted Lash, and MAC mascaras are honestly the best for length and curl, so 10 out of 10 would recommend. As always, I'm using my Park Ave Princess palette for contouring, and I'm taking the color Angle with this blush from ELF and just going to lightly contour and just like bronze up my face by getting my forehead, underneath my cheekbones, and my jawline. I'm going to use this What's Up highlighter by Benefit to get a nice glowy effect on my face to the high points of my face. And I'm just going to blend that in with my fingers. I'm also just going to apply it to my brow bone and then blend it in. For lips, I'm using the shade Whirl by MAC, and this is every brown girl's go-to. Now I'm taking this blush by Tarte Cosmetics in the shade Partay and placing that in the apples of my cheeks. Last but certainly not least, I'm using the ELF Matte Magic Mist and Set Setting Spray to set my face. And ta-da! Here is my Diwali 2020 makeup look. This is going up right after Diwali, but I hope you all had a beautiful Diwali celebration and were able to spend it with your family. I hope all the light that you had this Diwali carries forward with you for the whole year. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!